Welcome back, everyone. It's Jim here. Well, it's March 22nd. We're just a few days after spring. And up here, we've really enjoyed some nice weather. Been in the 50s for many days, 40s, above temperatures. Just the way we like it. We was all hoping for an early spring. The snow that you're seeing right now was just a little pisser of a snowstorm we had the other day. It's about 39 degrees right now, and it's probably 1:30 in the afternoon, so it's been a chilly few days. The thing is, we're going to have a big snowstorm coming in tonight, snowing all day tomorrow. So much for our early spring. We're going to have anywhere in the vicinity of 4 to 12 inches. I guess it's a wait and see game, and we'll see how much we get. But you can see the grass was getting green. Stuff is coming up in the garden. It's been unusually warm. Lilac is getting buds on it. Oh well, I guess I'll come back at you tomorrow when it's snowing. It's going to snow all day. Today is Saturday, March 23rd, 2024. It's about 27 degrees outside. And it's about 11 o'clock in the morning. It started snowing early this morning. And it's supposed to snow throughout the day and not stop until early Sunday morning. And according to the weather forecast for this area, it's going to be snow, it's going to be some sleet, it's going to be some freezing rain, and they're still predicting anywhere from 6 to 10 inches in this area. Could be more, depends on how much rain we see. So anyway, this is Saturday, and I'll come back when the storm is finally over. Okay, good morning all. This is Sunday, 24th of March, 2024. And we just had probably one of our biggest snowstorms of the year. And I'm going to do a little shoveling. You can see we probably got about 8 inches, but the thing is that it's heavy. We had rain to end the whole thing. So it's a little frozen on the top, not bad. It's mostly, I think, sleet that fell on the top. But it's only about 20 degrees outside. It's going to be a wind chill today that's going to keep it right in the 20s. As you can see, it's pretty crunchy. And what I'm doing right now is chopping it up, but getting enough away from the door so I can use my snowblower. So even when I'm using the snowblower, I'm going to have to try to keep it up off the ground a little bit, just so I don't dig a whole lot of dirt. Time to get Mr. Snowblower out. All right, so that concludes our winter snow blowing. Geez, I still got a foot of snow over on the deck to shovel off. That's gonna be fun. Well anyway, thanks for watching. I'll speed up a lot of it so it won't take that long. Give me a thumbs up if you like what you see. I'm hoping this is the last big storm of the year. Again, it's March 24th, and it's 2024. Bye for now. It's about 20 degrees out.